If you need to remove a payment method from your FuboTV account, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the FuboTV website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, locate your profile icon or name, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on it to access the account settings. Step 3. Navigate to billing information. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled billing or payment information. Click on this option to view your current payment methods. Step 4. Select payment method to remove. You will see a list of your saved payment methods. Identify the payment method you wish to remove and select the option to edit or delete it. Step 5. Confirm removal. After selecting the payment method, confirm your choice to remove it. You may need to enter your password or provide additional verification to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your selected payment method will be removed from your FuboTV account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to FuboTV customer support for assistance.